Akiaria vuva kunyitanira na itikia kanitha wa Thabatũ wa Good News tauni ya Embu, munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kia Jubilee Matiang'I ni ukumite kamite ithurano ya IEBC ne kiria ugite ni ikirite wariri watho wa ithurano uthiete na mbere na kwagararwa gutaina mundu ratacukirwo makinya make watho woguo tetwa kithurano kinini kia Olkalau uthiete na mbere na kwambatirira. Matiang'I akagwa gukira kwa IEBC ni kutharariti mwivoko wa mwenge gwe kamite yo gutavania kithurano kina umana waragania warire bururi werekerete kithurano rikinene.
The IEBC is watching blatantly when the government is engaged in historic bribery and vote by history. It has never happened in Kenya. What we are seeing in Olkalau is sometimes you wonder whether it is a government that is desperate. I don't know why this government is so desperate to win that seat. They are so desperate that they are doing incredible things. I mean, all of you guys have seen them. Mattresses, cars, cookers, what have you, boats. You have seen all those things happening.
Woguo ni utariritie wagagu wake ti kwina uvotekeku bururi no wikore ngwiri cia ivugwa ithurano angikorwa IEBC tirongeriria kurumirirwa kwa watho wa ithurano ni ateti.
They are walking Kenya to a crisis themselves. Broad daylight. They are walking the country to a crisis. Because if they don't manage the election, if what they are doing in Olkalau is what they are going to do during the general elections, God forbid. I mean, how? What is going on? Cabinet ministers, senior government officials, executive branch officials, principal secretaries, civil servants, blatantly engaged in a campaign in a manner that shows that they are totally untouchable. I mean, surely, IEBC could even do as much as a warning letter. The chairman is speaking at the press conference sheepishly as if he is supposed to be reporting to the president.
Kavinari wakau ni wiririte ya Kenya maita atongoria mung'ethaniro ni makoro tamwe wa uria ukarirukia venderia mung'ethaniro ni gukung'ethanira President William Ruto kithurano rikinene giukite.
No one should be worried. We'll get there. That's how this process of coalition building happens. Study Israel, study Germany, study all these countries. And look at how long it takes for people to be able to put together a team from different perspectives. Some of us have been through so many parties, others are coming in now and so on. Sasa kuweka hawa watu pamoja wote mpaka tufike mahali ya kusema hivi ndivyo tutaenda mbele, hivi ndivyo tutafanya, hivi ndivyo tunataka nchi iangaliwe, itachukua muda. Na sasa tuko kwa hiyo safari. Tusipoteze wakati na tusipoteze imani. Tuko kwa hiyo safari. Na ni safari, my brother. Sio eti kitu ya siku moja ama siku mbili.
Vanduriva Inoro TV ne tauni ya Embu ni Beta Dennis Fundi.